Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's the 18th of February, 2022. Crypto.com. Where are we going to go? Are we about to see a bull market, a bull run happen into this particular cryptocurrency and CRO? Welcome to HueFin, also known as HueFin. This is what I do. You guys can see I do price prediction without the confusion. I show you all where I think price is going to go so that we can profit from it, so that we can have a better understanding how the market dynamics really work, so that we won't be scratching our heads trying to figure out, okay, why in the world did the price go down? Why in the world did the market go up? We don't have to ask the question why. We simply just need to be in position to capitalize from it. Everyone else is trying to get in position to win too, and they're not trying to search and pull back to see, okay, this is why the price went up, because you cannot determine at what extent do price move. Like, once you try to find some type of catalyst as to why price goes a direction, you cannot get the actual extent as to, okay, on this particular type of news, the market went up $2, right? But then in the next 6 months, you get that same type of news event and it don't give you that $2 increment movement again. That is why it's irrelevant to try to pin a catalyst on a price movement, because it will always be different. Now, let's talk about CRO though. You guys can see I did a price prediction into the market CRO. Before I get started, like I said, if you guys appreciate the videos, the content, hit the like button, do the run-of-the-mill things that everyone else on YouTube asks you all to do. But I got something special. I give you something that you can actually utilize and learn from. You just got to simply watch and pay attention to what everyone else is doing. And let me show you all how this game is being played. Check this out. January the 30th. I was playing the strength into the market in CRO. I was like, hey, yeah, we can see the price in CRO go up, but look at how high I was looking for the price to go before the market started to turn, right? I didn't give you a price prediction saying, hey, I'm looking for the market in CRO to go up here to 80 cents. Like, that's asinine. There's certain levels that you all can determine to say, okay, yeah, under a probabilistic chance, the market may go up to 55 cents, right? I didn't say nothing around 80, 85 cents. No, because I expected the market to start a turn right there around 50 cents, right? And that's only 15.25% profitability, which was had right here on February the 7th. So I did the video on the 30th, looking for the market to go up. February the 7th is where we got that 15.25% out this space. Now, we didn't have long before the market started to turn. The actual high into the market in CRO occurred on the 10th of February. Could have got 24.5%, right? But hey, you're rarely going to get that right on the head as to how high price is going to go. Moves in the vicinity, the proximity as to where the market was going to start its movement lower. So congratulations to those who saw that. Let's get rid of it. Let's take this away and let's talk real quick, okay? Because seeing how the market hit a high on February the 10th, we now know that that is where the sellers are at. So what we need to do here is we simply need to elevate that horizontal line, right? So now you guys can kind of tell what we're getting, right? Either we are creating a downtrend into the market in CRO, or we are creating a restriction area into the market, right? I'm going to follow this restriction area right now. So we are seeing these two lines. You guys can see it right now. Now, these two lines represent the two factions of the market, right? This horizontal line up here represents selling, right? This is where the sellers are positioned. And this line down here, this ascending line, represent the buyers. This is where the buyers come in and step into the market. Now, right smack dab into the middle is where the conflict is going to occur. This is where all the dynamics, the volatility is going to happen between those who are on the fence. Who's trying to sell, who's trying to buy, who's trying to get in a position. Okay. Now, let's go ahead and see which one is actually winning into the market. Because obviously, right here from this particular day, the 10th of February, we know that the sellers are now dominating the market, because guess what? Yeah, look at it. Price has been coming down. So you already know which dominant force is controlling this market in CRO right now. And it's the sellers and not the buyers. So we need to follow that same premise. We still need to anticipate price in CRO to continue to go down. All right. So let's see the chart in CRO on a 3-day time frame. So take a look at the market in CRO on a 3-day time frame. Every price bar that you see is 3 days worth of price action, meaning prices going up, price trades, right? Look at this. On that particular 3-day price bar is where the initial stage of weakness occurred. We've seen 3 consecutive 3-day price bars of the market going up, but the price bar closing on the low of the bar. Again, that signifies the sellers. That signifies that the selling in the market is overpowering the buyers. 3 consecutive. So that's a total of 9 days that this market tried to go up in CRO and it got rejected. So what I'm showing you is literally how the sellers are still winning into the market in CRO. So I think you guys can tell the direction into which I'm anticipating this market to go right now. Yeah, I'm looking for the price in CRO to continue to dip. Now, understand, I told you where the conflict was. And it doesn't mean that I'm looking for the price to come down to 15 cents. Like I said, when I did my last video for CRO, I wasn't expecting to hit 85 cents. So same thing on this weakness. I'm not going to expect the price to necessarily crash because we got some areas to where the buyers are mixed in, right? I would say around 40 to 38 cents. So the market can still come down to 38, 40 cents and the buyers will approach the market there to keep the price elevated. But we still see the overall trend here too on this ascending line. So that will have to be the ultimate spot that we cannot allow the market to fall and break this trend. So let's go ahead and do this real quick. Let me hit this back over to the 2-day time frame so I can show you what I'm looking forward to, okay? Because I am looking for the price to go down. Now we already know that this area here is restriction 50 cents, but we definitely know that the sellers are there around 53, 54 cents. So I'm going to elevate our restriction area right there around 55 cents. Now, what does it mean? Well, it simply means that if we continue to see the market in CRO get rejected right there around 54, 55 cents, we know that the market is still weak. Yes. So even if we were to see the price in CRO come up here to 55 cents and get rejected and come back down, we know that we're still sitting pretty to see the price prediction come to pass because the market still can't break above 54 cents. Okay. So now, how low do you think it's going to go? Right? How low? Let's be conservative in our analysis and our prediction because we can still see the market hold support in CRO right around here. 40 cents, like I said. That's an area of support. So we need to be prepared to take some bag right there. That's around 11%. If we see the buyers come into the market around here, around 40, you definitely may need to take the play out and just take that 11% and be satisfied with the gains because the market's going to try another attempt to break 55 cents to the upside, which would mean that the long-term view in the market in CRO is bullish, especially if we see the buyers hold price above 40 cents. The second level that I'm going to look at, my next price target is going to be around 36 cents. That's around 20%. All right. So what I'm looking at, you guys can see that conflict box that I created earlier in the video. This is it. Now within this box, I'm looking for the price to dip down. All right, I'm done. That's it. Let me hit this back over to the daily time frame so you all can see what we got. Let me zoom in so you all can actually tell what my levels are. I got 2 price targets. The first one is at 40 cents. The second one is all the way down around 36. All right. So now it's your turn. Let me know. I want your opinion. I want your thoughts as to what is your price prediction in CRO. Are we going to go up? Are we going to go down? What is your expectations as we approach the month of March? Let everyone see it. All right. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.